We talk about how can you reserve on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, you just come to this list here and you choose any restaurant you want to serve to. So I'm going to click in this restaurant here. So then you just come to this list and here can you uh, click here on view or here and you click here on parties here can you choose it and here click choose your date and here so can you choose here time. So I'm going to click in this time here and all you have to do, so you just click here on continue with start reservation. So then you come to this list here. If you want to add here, you select your setting options here. I'm going to click on start here. So then you click here on reserve, then it's going to reserve with you on your open table app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.